Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider in your form when you change directions. And for example, I'm facing west, and let's say the next move in my form takes me to the east, is to open your awareness to that direction before you get your eyes in that direction, before you get your body in that direction, before you get your intention in that direction. Focus your awareness in that direction, or open your awareness to that direction, I should say. And that might be the senses that you can name: your hearing, your peripheral vision, for example. And it may be something else, maybe some feeling, something that you can give another name to, I suppose. But that's harder to describe and harder to convey and harder to teach, and is less talked about in ordinary circles. And not only open your awareness to the direction that you'll eventually address yourself to, but pause before changing direction and settle in. So let's say my previous posture is here, then let's say my next posture is here, rather than just doing the move and turning, and I'm going to just pause and really open myself to that new direction. Try to open my senses, become available to that direction, and then address myself to the direction. And of course, many Tàijíquán forms are going to allow us many opportunities to do this. So you might try this with every opportunity, or with the occasional opportunity where you don't ordinarily fully appreciate the change of direction. Thank you very much.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.